At first, Ravi had $200 more than Vincent. He gave 40% of his money to Vincent. Vincent then gave 25% of his money to Ravi. In the end, Vincent had $68 more than Ravi. How much did Vincent give Ravi? In questions that have percentage, we usually would change the percentage into fraction. In this case, the first thing we will change is the 40%. So 40% is actually equals to 40 over 100. Okay, cancel the 0. We'll have 4 over 10, and divided by 2, we'll have 2 over 5. Okay, we also need to change the 25%. So 25% is equivalent to 25 over 100, which will give us 1/4. So looking at the first sentence, it says that Ravi had $200 more than Vincent. So we will draw the model to show that Ravi had $200 more than Vincent. So Ravi will have $200 more than Vincent. Okay, $200 more than Vincent. Okay. Now he gave 40% of his money to Vincent. So Ravi gave 40% of his money to Vincent. So Ravi gave 2/5 of his money to Vincent. In this case, we need to cut Ravi's unit model into 5 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will do the same for Vincent to make them equal, right? Okay. Now, besides giving the 2 units to Vincent, he also needs to give 2/5 of the $200 extra he has to Vincent. So, okay, 2 units is given away to Vincent, and we need to work out what is 2/5 of the $200. So if we work this out, divided by 5, this will give us 40, a total of $80. So Ravi has to give away $80 to Vincent. So Ravi will have $200 minus $80, which will give us $120 back. Okay, so now we're going to draw the model for the next stage. After Ravi has given 2/5 of his money to Vincent, Ravi would have 3 units left. Plus another $120. While Vincent is going to have the existing 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus another 2 which Ravi gave him, and the $80. The third sentence says that Vincent then gave 25% of his money to Ravi, which 25% we have already worked out to be 1/4. So it means that Vincent is giving 1/4 of his money to Ravi. But Vincent currently has 7 units plus $80. So we need to know what is 1/4 of this 7 units. So we use 1/4 times 7 units is equal to 7 over 4 units. And this is equivalent to 1 whole 3/4 units. This is as good as saying that we should divide up Vincent's unit into 4 parts. So we will divide Vincent's units into 4 parts. Okay, so 4 units, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, we will do the same for Ravi, which is 4 units, 4 units, and 4 units. Now, besides giving away the units, Vincent will also have to give away 1/4 of the $80. So we need to work out what is 1/4 of $80. 1 over 4 times $80 would give us $20. So Vincent is going to return Ravi another $20. Okay, so if we draw the final model, we will see that Ravi would have 12 units plus the 7 units which Vincent is going to give him. That's equivalent to 19 units plus the $120 and the $20 that he's going to receive back from Vincent. While Vincent is going to have the 7 times 4 parts, which is 28 units, minus 7 units, which is equal to 21 units, plus the remaining $60. In the end, Vincent had $68 more than Ravi. So if we look at the model, Vincent is supposed to have another $68 more than Ravi. Okay, so looking at the model, you can see that if Ravi is having 19 units here, it means that from here is actually equals to 21 minus 19, which is 2 units. Okay, so you can see that 2 units plus $60 is actually equivalent to $120 plus $20 plus another $68. Okay, so 2 units plus $60 is actually equivalent to $208. So if I want to find 2 units, I'll have 2 units is equivalent to 208 minus $60, which will give me $148. So 1 unit is equivalent to $148 divided by 2, which will give me $74. Because of the limited space, I will do the rest of the working here. Okay, the final question is asking how much did Vincent give Ravi? According to the question, Vincent gave 25% of his money to Ravi, which means it's the 1/4 part. Therefore, Vincent actually gave 7 units plus the $20 to Ravi. So if we know that 1 unit is $74, so 7 units would be equivalent to 7 times $74, which is equals to $518. And not forgetting the $20, so we need to use $518 plus $20, which will give us a total of $538.